Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be working on a cutting table, a bait prepping station. Actually, usually all my bait I take cut, but sometimes if you're trolling and you need a bigger bait, or you want to measure your fish quickly, even though I have other rulers on the boat, this one would be a very nice option. These two were from a chair I had bought for my dad. It was a chair that was used for drawing blood, so I brought these two little trays on the side. They're very durable. As you can see, I believe they're made out of an ABS plastic, but the chair ripped and we threw it away. But these parts, I knew I would use them for something, even though I'm sort of a hoarder. See how strong they are? They're very strong. So my idea was to incorporate a ruler into it somewhere down here. And then these I had left over. I bought a lot of old GPSs on OfferUp. I guess you could find these on Amazon or eBay as well. They're ram mounts. So I'm thinking for the one that's going to be attached, I'm going to have two ram mounts together like this, and have this to the side of the boat. Therefore, I could move it down when I'm trailering the boat, or when I'm trolling and not using it, or if I am using it, I could just lift it up and use it. Or if I could just remove it and just leave the ball on the side, and if I'm not going to use it at all. So it would be very convenient. I'm also going to put these on the side. I'm going to use it to use my pliers and have them with a little bungee cord attached, so I could release fish that are out of size really quickly without hurting them. Anyway, this is our project, our cutting table. Both of them, we're going to do one that's just going to be without a bracket, so the person in the front could have it. They could put bait there and measure the fish as well. Anyway, that's our project for today, so let's get to it. that's our bait table installed. As you can see, I let the 5200 dry 24 hours. After that, it was ready. I have the one for the front and the one here. I'm probably going to put a cleat in the one in the front and just put another hook removal tool on it. Basically, I want whoever's fishing in the front to be able to release the fish quickly if it's not a fish we're going to keep. There's no sense in having to bring it to the back to measure it or anything like that. And they could also keep the cut bait and stuff on there, or cut bait if they need to. Also, as you saw in the video, the base, you could bring it down. Here it's pretty stable, but if you need it more stable, say to fillet, you could remove one of the ram mounts and put it close to the side. Therefore, you could be able to fillet, chop, whatever without a problem. I also put it here on this section of the boat. I believe that's going to be the more convenient. I had another boat and I had it here in the back and I liked it, but you could always buy extra ball mounts. Like you could put one like right there, one on that side or one in the front, and you can move the table wherever you want. I love the fact that, you know, if I take it all apart, it fits in my anchor locker, and the fact that you could just bring it down relatively easily and put it on the side of the boat when you're traveling with the boat. It's something very convenient. You know, you could just bring it down like this, or you could bring it down like this. I gotta release it a little more, like that. Put it on there, and that's it. You're ready to travel. It really is convenient. You don't have to make it out of these plastics that I use. I got them from a chair, so it's great to recycle and be able to use them. But you can make it out of starboard, wood, whatever you have available. The ram mounts, I know they're a little pricey, but you get them generic. I got mine in a lot of old GPS I bought, so they were practically nothing. The boat, you should always make it to the way you're going to use it, the way you're going to like it, and if it works for you and you're satisfied with the way it came out on anything you do on the boat, that's really all that matters. So we're going to keep on adding a few more stuff to the boat. We're almost ready to water test her, so hopefully that'll be soon, and you'll all come along with us to go on that first journey. I thank you all for watching. If you find anyone that might benefit from this video, please share it with them. And remember, I'm always wishing you the best, and one love.